Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the hidden gems of classic American motoring, the 1970 Mercury Meteor S33 Convertible. A car that perfectly captures the late 60s and early 70s spirit, bold styling, powerful performance, and that unmistakable Mercury elegance. Exterior. Let's start by taking a look at the exterior. The 1970 Mercury Meteor S33 Convertible was the final evolution of Mercury's full-size Meteor line, a Canadian-exclusive model that combined Ford's engineering with Mercury's premium touch. Its design is bold and muscular, with a long, sweeping body, a massive chrome grille, quad headlights, and crisp lines running down the sides. The S-33 trim added sporty touches like special badging, bright rocker moldings, and chrome wheel covers that gave it a performance-oriented flair. The convertible top adds a touch of pure freedom. Drop it down, and you've got one of the best open-air experiences of the era. Interior. Now moving inside, the interior of the 1970 Meteor S33 Convertible continues Mercury's reputation for comfort and class. You're greeted by wide bench or optional bucket seats wrapped in premium vinyl, with detailed stitching and chrome accents throughout the cabin. The dashboard features clean horizontal lines, classic gauges, and a full-width speedometer that gives off that 70s luxury vibe. The steering wheel carries the Mercury emblem proudly, and the car offered options like an AM/FM stereo, power windows, and air conditioning, high-end features for its time. Every inch of the interior reminds you that this was a car built for comfort and cruising in style. Performance. Under the hood, the performance of the Meteor S33 Convertible lives up to its looks. Power came from Ford's big V8 engines, starting from the 351 cubic inch and going up to the mighty 429 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, depending on configuration. These engines delivered smooth yet powerful acceleration, with torque that could easily handle long highway drives or quick bursts of power when you hit the gas. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the Meteor S33 was built to glide, not just go fast, but do it with grace and authority. Its ride quality was plush, thanks to Mercury's suspension tuning, offering a smooth and stable drive even on rough roads. When you put it all together, the 1970 Mercury Meteor S33 Convertible represents the end of an era, the final chapter of Mercury's Canadian-built full-size performance convertibles. It combined luxury, power, and open-top style in a way that few cars have since matched. Today, it's a rare collector's item, a reminder of a time when driving was more than just transportation, it was an experience. So if you ever spot a 1970 Mercury Meteor S33 Convertible at a classic car show, take a moment to appreciate it, because this beauty is not just a car, it's a piece of Mercury history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look back at the Meteor S33, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car stories, and tell us in the comments which vintage car you want to see next.